Myself, Mahita Reddy. I've done my BTech from G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science, Hyderabad. I've taken EC as my core. When I got to know you can combine software and hardware in one technology, and they said embedded is one of it. So I felt it's exciting and fascinating to learn it. So I've got to know about this. During the course, I've learned C, LI, RTOS microcontrollers. I've learned it through the concepts, the classes, and I've put the concepts into practice using the assignments and projects. Projects and assignments made the concepts clear for me. I've completed around 12 projects. While doing the projects, even if we did not understand the concepts in the class, when we were putting them into the project, things were simple and we could understand what is the main importance of that concept. It was my privilege because I got to meet very good mentors and a very good learning platform. My advice for the comers is be resilient. It's okay if you fail, you can do it. The HCL interview, there was a MCQ round first, and from that there was another coding round, and then one technical interview. In technical interview, they've asked about C, LI, and DS for me. C concepts, which include arrays, strings, DLL, LI, the file creation and all.
Myself, Prajwal SK. I am from Mysore. Completed my undergraduate from Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am a 2025 pass out. During the college days, I developed interest in both VLSI and embedded system. So I want to pursue a career in a core domain, and also I felt interest in embedded, so thought of joining an institute and pursue. I get to know it by social medias and LinkedIn, and also I reached out for the seniors in the LinkedIn, and also one of my friends joined previously about a month earlier, so I asked him and I get the positive response from them, so I joined. The learning journey in the Emertxe was good. Like, course structure was defined to cover all the topics that are important for an entry-level job under the embedded system. I have done around 9 projects in Emertxe. We felt like while doing the microcontroller projects, we will be finding the lots of bugs, and also like we will be having a simple issues that we may not able to solve, but with the help of mentors and all, like we can able to come up with the solution while explaining. While in the interview also, since we will be doing it by ourselves, it will be easy for us to explain and to answer whatever the questions they are asked. I faced challenge while doing the projects. In the MCA, there is one project called CAN-based automated dashboard. Like, it was a simple bug, but I took around a week to solve that. But once we get the solution, we will feel that like we'll get to know about the concept and we'll feel like we have done something, and it will be making us even more confident. I attended HCL Technology interview. It was around 3 rounds. First round was objective round, where they asked C programming and other MC and all. In second round was programming, and then third round was face-to-face interview. In the face-to-face interview, they asked mostly on C and also in MC, where in the MC they mainly concentrated on protocols, and they also expect from us to answer like debugging questions and also scenario-based questions. Like, preparing the scenario based and debugging will help me to crack this. My journey was continuous learning and be consistent, and also having the patience while having the placements.
My name is Tejaswini. I am from Bangalore. I did my electrical and electronics engineering degree from Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. During my college, I had some interest in microcontrollers. Then I had a course called Embedded C that made me more determined to learn embedded systems. Then while searching for more opportunities in embedded system, I came across Emertxe and I joined here so that I can get more knowledge on embedded systems. Basically, I searched for many institutes available in Bangalore, and then I came across Emertxe, and few people also referred it to me. So I joined Emertxe. My learning journey was pretty good. Every mentor explained everything in detail. Whenever I had a doubt, they have clarified it. They provide us with assignments and projects which help us like understand the topics we are learning better and how to apply each topic we have learned. This helped me improve myself and remember and apply things in day-to-day life. I've worked on around 14 projects till now. Each project I have learned like new concept, like the concept we have already learned, we have applied it in the project and it made me understand the concept much better. Through this I have like gained so much knowledge through the projects I have worked on. First time I faced like giving up on the course was during the first interview I gave. It went pretty bad because it was my first interview. As soon as the interview got over, I came here to Emertxe and I talked with the counseling team, and they gave me a detailed structure on. They helped me out on how to revise and how to like overcome how to gain more confidence during interview and everything like that. First round was MCQs. I would say it was a very knowledgeable experience, and I felt like I've improved myself much better.
My name is Polivarla Ravi Rakesh and I'm from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sri Venkateshwara Engineering College of Tirupati in 2025. Initially when I completed my intermediate, I have goal to join in electronics. So I chosen ECE. After joining ECE, in these 4 years, I have came to know I have interest in embedded systems and VLSI. I choose embedded systems. Initially I don't know anything, all coding parts in microcontrollers, anything. They have taught me from scratch to getting clear the interviews. I have completed 7 projects here in all modules that made me understanding the things, concepts, theoretical to practical implementation. And in interviews, by knowing only theoretical parts, it won't help to crack the interviews. If we do projects, they will ask scenario-based questions in real world, so we can easily make them. Many times I have faced that issue. Whenever I gave my first interview and few interviews, I am unable to clear the interview. But I know the concepts, but I am unable to speak. So I gave mock interviews here many times. That improved my speaking and all. So I got cleared. In HCL, there are 3 rounds. In first round, they asked about MCQs. They covered mostly embedded C, microcontrollers, protocols, and Linux systems. In coding part also, they have covered all these things. And in the technical round, they have asked about more in Linux internals, which compared to microcontrollers, which related for embedded systems, and basic C questions. Emertxe is the best place to learn embedded system things.
My name is Pawan. I am from Dharmavaram, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from KSRM College of Engineering in 2025. During my college, how the software and hardware both combine and work together. So that interest I have after completing my college, I have searched where I need to improve my skills before joining the companies. So I found Emertxe is good. In Emertxe, there is structured way of teaching. Here they are teaching C module, C++, data structures, microcontrollers and Linux, and Qt ELRM, which is the company wants. Here each and every topic they will explain very detailed. If you have any doubts, they will clear the doubts. In Emertxe, I have completed total 14 projects from all modules. While in classroom study, we know some part of the topics. We don't know the deep about that, what we can do with the topic or what we can't do. While doing the projects, we can understand more about the topics. In interviews also, interviewer will ask very deep about the topics sometimes, so it will help to do the projects in interviews. The Emertxe here provide very good learning, good placements also. If you continuously learning and applying interviews and perform well, you can get job.
Nice.